Hi class, let's compare with the word bad instead of the word good. Yesterday we talked about the word good. When we use the adjective good, we're going to change it to better or best when we compare. If we're comparing two things, we say better, but if we're comparing more than two things, we're going to say best, okay? When we use the adjective bad, we're going to change that to worse or worst when we compare. When do we use which one? It tells you right here. Use worse when we compare two people, places, or things. Okay? So let's take a look at your lunch tray. The corn tasted worse than the mashed potatoes. I'm comparing two things, so I want to say worse. You wouldn't say the corn was badder than the mashed potatoes. So you're going to get rid of the word bad and use worse when you compare two. Now let's compare the corn to your entire tray, everything on there. You're going to use the word worst to compare the whole thing. The corn tasted worst on my tray. The corn was the worst. So when you compare everything, use the word worst. Look down below at your activity. Write worse or worst to correctly complete each sentence. The rainy weather created blank conditions than before. Well, I'm comparing the rainy weather to before. So if you notice, we're only comparing two things. So we want to use the word worse. Worse. The rainy weather created worse conditions than before. So I'm going to type worse. And I'm going to put that onto the line. Whoop. Sorry, class. I'm still getting used to this new app that I have here. So continue with this activity. Good luck.